Hi again, everyone. So today I will be showing you how to make a simple wall hanging made from a stick and some yarn. Yes, it's that simple, and I will show you how to do this. You need different lengths of yarn in any color you would like. They do have to be in increasing size. So the outer parts of this piece, which I will show you right now, are shorter than the ones going towards the middle because I wanted it to have a V shape at the bottom. If you want to do just straight across, you can do that. Do all the yarn at the same length and you'll be fine. The stick, I did use some gold paint. You can use craft store paint. You can use acrylic paint. I don't suggest oil or watercolor. I don't think that would do very well. And masking tape. So what you'll need for today, a stick, wire, newspaper that you can roll to make a stick, anything you can wrap yarn around in order to make a wall hanging. You'll need yarn of any color, and you will need gold paint and masking tape. So without further ado, I'm going to start the video, and I hope you all enjoy. I will be using 8 strands of yarn for each side until I reach the middle, where I'll choose to do as little or as many as I choose. Here you will want to line up the ends of the yarn and put the loop over the branch. Bring the 2 strands of yarn upwards and pull through the loop. So what you want to do is make a knot that allows the yarn to hang down from the stick. Again, drape the yarn with the loop facing up over the stick, reach through the loop, grab the 2 ends of the yarn strands, pull them through, and then pull them taut. You're going to do this for the entire piece. So you're going to line the ends up of the yarn. You're going to hold the loop that forms at the top of the 2 strands, drape it over the stick, bring the 2 ends of the yarn underneath the stick, reach through the loop, and pull the 2 ends of the strand through the loop. That is how you will be making this knot to complete this wall hanging.
love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.